Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. In this video, we are going to learn how to find the inverse of matrix by using elementary row operation or ERO. The first elementary row operation says that if we interchanging the I row and the J row, it will never change the nature of the matrices. Okay, in this example, we are going to interchange between row 1 and row number 2. When row 1 become row 2 and row 2 become row number 1. It will never change the nature of the matrices, but it's still the matrix P. ERO says that when we multiply the I row with a non-zero constant, it will never change the nature of the matrices. In this example, we are going to multiply the first row by number 2, and we will get the new matrix, which is 4, 6, negative 2 for the first row, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1. In this example, we only keep all the numbers in row 2 and row number 3. How about row number 1? We multiply it by number 2. And it is still the same matrix, which is matrix P. The last procedure in elementary row operation says that if we add a multiple of jth row to the ith row, it will never change the nature of the matrices. In this example, I'm going to replace the second row by using formula row number 2 plus row number 1. So for row 1 and row number 3, we keep all the numbers. And then for row number 2, we will replace by using formula. In the first column, 1 plus with 2 to get 3. Second column, 1 plus with 3 to get number 4. And last, column number 3, 1 plus negative 1 to get 0. Okay, now, look at example 1. This is matrix P. In this example, we are going to find the inverse of matrix P by using elementary row operation or ERO. Okay, first class, you have to create an augmented matrix. Okay, this is an augmented matrix, which is matrix P. You put it together with matrix I side by side. Matrix P is any matrix that you want to find the inverse. And then this is matrix identity, which is matrix with number 1 on the diagonal and 0 for the everywhere. Okay, this is augmented matrix with 3 by 6 matrix. For example, you have matrix 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1. This is matrix P on the left, and then this one is matrix identity. You put it together side by side. And then we are going to do row operation again and again to transform P together with I, and then from P we will change to identity using row operation, and then the last answer on the right hand side, it become inverse of matrix P. Okay, next we are going to change this number to become number 0 and this number on the diagonal to become number 1. To do ERO, please class, you have to follow the procedure, which is step 1, obtain 0 in the first column, next 0 on the second column, and finally 0 in the third column. After finish, to replace 0 in C1, C2, and C3, we will obtain number 1 on the leading diagonal.